Ça va? Ouais. Donc on va dire merci à Dieu. Merci au Seigneur pour tout ce qu'il fait pour nous. Même dans les moments les plus difficiles, les plus sombres. Je crois que notre sœur en Christ l'a très bien dit. Donc je vous invite à chanter avec moi. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Tragedies are commonplace. All kinds of diseases. People are sleeping away. The economy is down, but don't get now to blame. But as for me, all I can say is one thing. Thank you, Lord, for all you've done for me. Oh, yeah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Lord, folks without homes are in the street and they're drug up in some say they just can't leave. Brothers and brothers, that seems to be saved, but you are my protection every step.